is a problem for advertisers. The reason? You and me. We skip commercials. Oh, no, I do.
I do too.
I'm Mark from Top Media Works, and we're out to solve this problem with a method of multi-object tracking in the streaming file with no modification of streaming content. Simply put, you see a program. You like something on that program. You'd like to know more about that product. Tap it. All you have to do to reveal data, manufacturer in the area, a dealer in the area, perhaps a map to the location, Wikipedia as well. We will change the product placement business, disrupt it, and also the entertainment media business. Two-thirds of advertisers currently use product placement. It's expected to be a $6.1 billion business by 2014. Please like Top Media Works. Wow.